I've got my test tube beauty. So if you want to see if this box just keeps getting better and better, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my test tube beauty. It's powered by New Beauty. So when you see those specialty boxes that I get that are just jam-packed full of high-end skincare by New Beauty, or the VIP boxes they sometimes call them, or the awards box that I just opened, this is the same company. They put out test tube beauty. So if you are into skincare, this is a very skincare heavy box, but you are getting some of the best in skincare, and I have been just loving it. There's sometimes a little bit of makeup peppered in there, but primarily you are looking at a skincare box with this. So if that's not your jam, if you prefer makeup, this is not the box for you. But if you are a skincare junkie like me, I mean, I'm skincare, makeup, hair care, all around. But if you are a skincare junkie, this is a great box for you. I will have the information down below as to what it costs per quarter. It's on the higher end, but again, you're getting, like in my awards box, I got a $200 neck cream. And that was just one of the items of the many in there. There are no choice items, and this does come out quarterly. Everybody gets the same box. So you know that you're getting what everybody else got, and there wasn't somebody else out there with better choices than you. It says, hello summer, and it says it's jam-packed with all the products you need to shine bright from head to toe. So this does not come with a booklet. There's a scan code on the bottom, but if you go to their website, it gives you all the prices. So I will do that, and I'll do that later on. And then as I go through, because I don't even know what's in this box, I want to be surprised, I'll pop those price points up for you so you can see what the price point is from their website. And there is your sneak peek. By Unite is the U oil. This is an argan oil for your hair. I have used their shampoo. I've used their 7-second shampoo, conditioner, and detangler. It's quite nice. By Everse is the Smooth Peptide Lip Therapy. There's the box. It says clean beauty rooted in nature, cultivated by science. It's cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, and hypoallergenic. Not hyperallergenic. And here it is. Looks like it is in petal. So this doesn't have much color. It's just like a light glow. This has shea and argan and magnolia oils. Shea butter. Argan and magnolia oils. While peptides create a fuller, curvier, more youthful looking appearance. Now this has come open. Doesn't look like it lost any product, but it is got stuff all over it. This is a cuticle oil by Mineral Fusion. By Dermalogica is the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. This is hydrating, firm age defense. And it's a broad spectrum moisturizer to combat the appearance of skin aging and to minimize the appearance of skin aging with a medium weight emollient daily moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF of 50. Antioxidant white tea rich in polyphenols and a unique polypeptide help improve the appearance of photo-aged skin. Active sunscreens protect against UVA and UVB rays, and it blends smoothly over skin for a perfect finish, it says. And there's how that looks. By, I don't know if this is JORXI or JORXI or Jory. It's an acne and oil control primer. It has 2% salicylic acid, and it does say it's dermatologist formulated, and it's a medicated primer that treats acne, controls shine, and helps reduce the appearance of pores. free of fragrance, dyes, parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. This is made in the US and distributed from New York. And there is how that looks. Next, by Face Reality, is a sulfur spot treatment. I'm wondering if this is also for acne. Yes, for the treatment of acne. Okay, so this is more of an acne care box. Not impressed with that. I mean, I do have people in my life who could use it. Here we go. This is by Artis. I don't know what it is. Probably a face tool of some sort. So it looks like some sort of brush, a very soft brush for, I don't know, maybe cheeks. Next, by EWC, is the Treat Face and Body Detoxifying Mask. So this is the same company that in the awards box had the treatment for ingrown hairs. So this is of a similar nature. This is a face and body detoxifying mask. It's for bumps between waxes, and it has activated charcoal with glycolic acid, salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and vitamin C to clear pores and treat ingrown hairs, bumps, and breakouts. It is also good in all of your sensitive parts. It's, you know, for your Brazilian waxes, I guess. It is gynecologist tested and approved. By Clinisoothe is a skin purifier. This protects skin from pollutants and impurities, prevents breakouts, and promotes rapid recovery. Here's how that looks. By Dionis is their goat milk body lotion. It is in Blue Ridge Wildflower, it says. Let's give that a little smell. Oh, that smells really nice. That smells amazing right there. I want everything to smell like this. That's how good it smells. Oh, so nice. And the last thing in the box is their magazine. This is going to focus on the 2023 awards. I did just open that box. I uploaded that already. So if you just go into my videos, you'll find it. But this goes over the products that were featured, plus all the other products that were award winners. So it's really interesting. I love, this is like my favorite one that they send out because I love reading about all the different products. Okay, that is my test tube beauty box for, I don't know if this is, I guess this is summer. Is that what the card said? Yeah, I think the card said summer. And I think it was a little more heavily focused on acne type needs versus others. Like there wasn't a big variety of skincare. Now, I mean, I obviously have a daughter who could utilize this. I have a niece who could utilize this. So there are people in my life who could benefit from a lot of these products. And so I will be passing a lot of those on to them. I'll be keeping the lippy for myself. And maybe the hair oil. Might give that to my niece. Not sure. It's a lot of hair oil. She's getting ready to go to college, so this might be perfect. And I'm going to keep this. And the acne stuff I might throw in her graduation box as well. So, I mean, she'll definitely benefit. Save me money. I won't have to go out and buy the products. So that's good. But as far as for my skin needs, this wasn't the best box for me. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't already, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.